Right, welcome back to the class. Now in this section we are going to be looking at the basic conditional formatting in Excel. We're still talking about formatting, and when we talk about conditional formatting, we're actually talking about the tool that helps in reporting, especially where we are able to highlight certain cells to indicate or show what we want to show, and then in showing it we use formatting tools to show them. Like for instance, we intend to show all product A in the product list, and then we have used conditional formatting to identify all product A sales from the product list. We've also used the conditional formatting to indicate the level of achievement in comparison with the target given, and then of course percentage achievement has been shown. So with the aid of the conditional formatting, we were able to indicate higher performance, higher achievement or performance, and the lower ones. And of course we're able to also use the conditional formatting to bring out the three top actual achievements or sales by the salespersons. So conditional formatting helps us in our reporting to actually indicate what we need to see, and then of course use formatting tools to bring those indicators for us. So now to do conditional formatting, you will find conditional formatting under the Home tab, and as you move down to the right side, you see conditional formatting. So you can pick. So, but for this, I'm going to clear the rules first, what we have there in the entire worksheet, so that we can apply our own. Okay. So everything is cleared now, and then we are at the starting point. So if we want to use conditional formatting to highlight all product B sales in these worksheets, to indicate all product B sales in this worksheet, the first thing we will do is to highlight the range that we want to apply. Now you don't select everything, because the same what do you call it, rule does not apply to all values within the range of data. So you have to highlight the particular range of data, excluding the header that you want to apply your conditional formatting. So we want to bring out all product B sales from this. So we have highlighted product column, and then we go to the Home tab, and then far right side you see the conditional formatting under the styles group. So we'll click conditional formatting, and then we'll go to highlight cell rules, and then to achieve this we cannot use greater than, because it's not a number. We can't use less than, we can't use between, we cannot use equals to, because it's not really a number, so we're not bringing equal sign to. So but we can say text that contain. So we'll choose text that contain, and then we will type product B, and then we can choose the highlighting rule that we want. We want it to be colored, because the formatting, the conditional rule is on its own, but the format that will bring it out has to be applied by you. So we're applying green field with dark green text, and we'll click OK. So you see that all the sales, product B sales, is highlighted with dark green text. Now I want to highlight all Mary's occurrence of Mary here. So I can go back to the Home tab, and then under the Home tab go to conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, text that contain, and I'm going to choose Mary. Okay, if Mary is the first text on the column, then the system will automatically pick it. So I'm going to use yellow fill to indicate all occurrence of Mary, so that you can easily see what happens in terms of Mary and Mary's achievement. Now we are going to look at this. So we'll go to conditional formatting under the Home tab, conditional formatting, and we are going to use data bar. That's the first thing we are going to use, the data bar. Okay, so I'm going to use let me see which data bar. Okay, let me use this. I like this data bar. So you can see that so if we now want to add another conditional formatting, we can go back and say, okay, we need icon sets. So we use the up and down arrow icon sets. So this is average, this is high, green, this is low, this is low, this is green, and so on. You can change your arrow, your data bars if you are not comfortable with the color that you have. They all perform the same job. It's just a matter of picking colors. So I may likely stick to this. Okay, and then you can also say, okay, I want the top 3 sales, and then you go to conditional formatting and you go to top bottom, you choose top 10 item, reduce it to 3 from this dialog box. You just choose 3. Choose 3, choose to fill it with green, and click OK. So if you like, you can choose 5, you can choose 4, you can choose whichever amount. Of course, is relative to whatever kind of number of data you have. So, but the base is top 10. So you can do top 10, and you can also do bottom 10. So we have top 10, we have bottom 10. So all these are conditional formatting. So conditional formatting tool aids your reporting. So it is where you bring out a condition. What is the condition? Product B is a condition. Then what is the formatting? The formatting is the coloring on it. So if I'm bringing out a condition, how do I indicate it? So it's an indicator. All right, so that is conditional formatting tool in Excel. All right, so that is where we're going to stop in this session, and we'll see in the next session, and bye for now.